What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a cut crease eyeshadow look using the Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. But before we get into that video, be sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, me and my husband started our own YouTube couples channel. It's called Len and Gianna. I will link that down in the description below. Be sure to check that out. We do a lot of challenge videos, vlogs, and a lot of funny videos. And be sure to subscribe to that channel as well. And let's get right into the video. I already did my brows off camera, so we're gonna get right into the cut crease eyeshadow look. So I recently got these Colourpop eyeshadow palettes from Ulta. My husband got these for me for Christmas, and I love these. I haven't been using any other eyeshadow palettes. I've only been using these ones for a couple months now. I fell in love with them. This one is Truly Madly Deeply. It's beautiful, guys. Look at that. There's a lot of shimmers, and there's also some mattes in there. And then this one is the Sweet Talk palette. And this one is so pretty too. More peachy shades in here. First, I'm going to start by using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is the Primer Potion. This one is Eden. This does a really good job at covering all your veins. And then I just use my finger to blend it out. You guys can use a brush if you want. I just like using my finger better. And make sure you bring it all the way up to your brow bone. So now I'm gonna set my eyeshadow primer, and this is just the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I'm just using this. Oh, it's dusty in there, guys. It's from getting used. I'm just gonna use this color called Sherbet, just a neutral color. And I'm just taking a eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna set my eyeshadow primer, but be sure to bring this all the way up to the brow bone as well. This is gonna help to keep your eyeshadow on all day and lock in that primer. So now that our eyeshadow's set, I'm gonna go in with the Truly Madly Deeply palette. I'm gonna be going into this one. It's like a brownie color, and it's called Made to Last. And I'm just gonna be taking my Luxie 237 blending brush. This is from Ipsy. I love this brush. This is one of my favorite brushes, and I use it almost every single day. That's why it's dirty. So I'm gonna dip into that color and just tap the excess off just a little bit. I'm gonna be placing this into my crease. When you're placing this color, try to keep it off your eyelid, but if you do get it on there, it's okay, because we're gonna cut the crease later, so you'll be able to cover it up. So me and my husband went to Florida for our honeymoon, and we fell in love with Florida, and we actually are considering moving there. So if any of you guys live there, let me know down in the comment section how you like it and everything, and what your opinion on moving to Florida is. It was so beautiful. We actually went to Siesta Key Beach, and we went to Anna Maria Island. That was my favorite spot in Florida that we got to explore and see. Alright guys, so now we're going to go in with the second color, and we're going to be using the same brush that we used for the first one. And this time we're going into Pretty Cruel right here. It's a purple color, and we're going to be placing this on the outer half of our crease. Guys, I'm curious to know if you guys have tried the Colourpop eyeshadow palettes, because I used to use Huda Beauty all the time. I actually think I like Colourpop better than Huda Beauty. So let me know down in the comments, guys, how you feel about that. And if you guys want to see a video with me comparing Colourpop and Huda Beauty, let me know if you guys want to see that. I just feel like their shadows, they blend out very well, and they're so easy to work with. The Huda Beauty ones are really pigmented, but I feel like they take a lot longer to blend out than these ones. They're super buttery and creamy, and they're just I just love them. They're so soft, and they're so easy to work with, and their colors are so pretty. I keep seeing more and more Colourpop palettes come out, and I just want to buy them all. And don't worry that it's messy right now. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but we are gonna fix that later. So don't worry about that yet. So now I'm gonna cut the crease, but I don't use concealer when I do it. I use primer because it just stays on a lot better. And it just locks in your makeup. I've literally slept in my eyeshadow before and woken up the next day and it was the same exact way it was when I first did it. I'm not saying it's a good thing to do, but we have all been there. A little bit goes a long way with this, so don't put too much. And I'm just gonna use my finger again to blend that out. Make sure you keep this just on your eyelid, don't get it up into your crease. So now I'm gonna go into the Sweet Talk palette, and I'm gonna take this really pretty sparkly shimmery color. It's called Side to Side. Now this isn't like a loose glitter. Like these ones are chunkier and they're like glitter. This one is like a really, really fine glitter, and it's just so pretty. And I'm just gonna take this brush from e.l.f. Gonna dip into this, and I'm just gonna put that on my eyelid. Guys, you see how pretty that is? It is so pretty. I'm gonna take the same brush, but this time I'm going into the Truly Madly Deeply palette, and I'm taking this beautiful glitter, and it's called Hungry Ghost. Guys, this is such a pretty glitter. Let me see if you guys can see it. It is so pretty. Now, this one's a little bit chunkier, so just be careful when placing it on that you don't get it in your eye. So I'm just gonna take it on this brush as well. We're just going to pack that on our eyelid. I try to keep this focused more towards the center of my eye, especially because you don't want to get it in like the corner of your eye. Guys, look how pretty. I love Colourpop. These are my favorite eyeshadows. Alright guys, so the eyeshadow is finished, but now I'm just gonna clean it up. And I always use coconut oil to take my makeup off. I'm just gonna use toilet paper because I actually ran out of Q-tips. I usually use Q-tips to clean up the excess, but I don't have any right now. You can use makeup remover wipes or baby oil or whatever you want. Coconut oil works very well for me. And we're just gonna clean up the eyeshadow to make it a sharp line. See how much better that looks, guys? The eyeliner I'm using is called Sex Kitten by Tarte. Guys, this is my favorite eyeliner. I got this in my January Ipsy bag. I think it was January, or maybe February. I don't know, but I got this from Ipsy, and I haven't been using any other eyeliner but this one. It has a sharp felt tip, and like you can get a super thin line with this and like very precise, and it's super black. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera real quick, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so eyeliner is done, and now we're gonna move on to mascara. But first, we have to curl our eyelashes. I have a super old eyelash curler, guys. I really need to get a new one. So now it's time for mascara. I use the Great Lash by Maybelline. I always use the waterproof one. It keeps my lashes curled all day. This is the only mascara that I have used that keeps my lashes curled all day and looking super long. And the final step is brow bone highlight. I'm using the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moondance. This is so pretty, guys. I got this from Ipsy as well. Do you guys see how pretty that is? This is one of my brushes from Luxie. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. It's just a small eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to use this for my brow bone highlight. It's so pretty. Alright, so that is it for the makeup look. That was the last step. This is the finished look. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below giving me some video ideas and letting me know what types of videos you guys want to see next. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, me and my husband started our own couples channel. It's called Len and Gianna. I will link that down in the description. And be sure to go check out our channel. We do a lot of funny videos, challenges, and vlogs. Be sure to check out that channel and subscribe to that channel as well. We're trying to grow both of our channels. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.